Hello, I have bought the Casio AQ 230 on Amazon, and here down below you see the Amazon warehouse codes. The package was delivered to the nearest post office where I picked it up today. Let's unbox this watch. Here it says Casio AQ 230 A-1. Here's the user's manual. And here's the warranty card. The worldwide Casio warranty is valid for 2 years from the date of purchase. There is a hang tag.
To avoid any risk of suffocation, keep this plastic bag out of reach of children and infants.
Here's the watch in all its glory. I made the order on January 31st and I received the watch today on February 6th. I paid $42.59 including shipping. It's a fair price. This is an analog digital watch. If you don't know whether you want an analog quartz watch or a digital watch, you pick this one and you get both. The handset on the quartz watch consists of an hour hand and a minute hand. There is no second hand. Now I will set the correct time on the analog part of the watch. The quartz watch works independently of the digital part of the watch. To move the hands on the quartz watch, you press this button to the right. So if you hold down the button, it advances the analog setting at high speed. You can only advance the setting, you can't reverse it. I hold down the lower left button to set the digital time. I press the upper left button to increase the number. I can toggle between 24-hour display and 12-hour display. To set the date, I press the upper left button and then I press the lower left button. I hold it. Now I can set the date. Today is February 6th. And it's Thursday. The watch has an alarm. There is a dual time mode, and this is the stopwatch mode.
Part 2. The dial.
The Casio AQ 230 has a black dial that appeals to me. It's handsomely executed. The dial is visually spectacular from a distance and even more so up close. There is a nice contrast between the black dial and the silvery handset. So this makes it easy to read the time. There are no numerals on the dial. There is also a version with a white dial. This watch has character with its unique digital analog dial design. The dial diameter is 30 millimeters. The Casio AQ 230 is surprisingly wearable and nicely proportioned. So let's throw this Casio AQ 230 on my 6.5-inch wrist. As you see, the lugs are nowhere near the end of my wrist on either side. This watch is suitable for a wrist that is, in my estimation, as small as 5.5 inches in circumference. So even the ladies can wear this one. The case is delightfully thin. It's only 8 millimeters thick, so you easily clear the cuff with this one if you wear a shirt. The spacing between the lugs is 18 millimeters, and the watch measures 39 millimeters across the case. With its chrome-plated stainless steel case of discrete dimensions, this watch is ideal for those who appreciate a compact and subtle design. The dial is protected by mineral glass, so it's not scratch resistant. You don't get sapphire glass at this price point. The watch weighs 47 grams. The watch has a snap-on case back. You will need a case opener knife in order to replace the SR920 button cell battery after approximately 3 years. It's actually a simple process to adjust the bracelet. However, you will need a thin pry tool to do this successfully. First, you have to locate this small flap on the clasp. Then you lift up the flap with the tool. This will unlock the clasp, and now it's free to be moved along the bracelet. When you have adjusted the clasp, you push the flap back down to lock it into place.
Part 3. The bracelet.
The bracelet looks upscale and it's surprisingly nuanced, but it lacks the feeling of satisfying solidity that you may experience on other bracelets. Like this bracelet that feels much more solid. The Casio AQ 230 bracelet is thin and delicate. The bracelet has quite a deal of dramatic side-to-side play, but there is not much daylight shining through between the links. So the tolerance is acceptable and the bracelet does the job required. The deployment clasp allows the bracelet to be secured around the wearer's wrist. The clasp is engraved with the brand name Casio. The Casio AQ 230 is 30 meters water resistant. That's dress watch standard water resistance. This means that you can't bathe with this watch. It withstands no more than rain. This is a stylish and affordable watch for smaller wrists.